soda and candy. Why the trouble?
Been any trouble?
Hi.
Back up! Now! Keep them up!
Whoa. Easy, guys. I was just running from the dead.
How many?
10, maybe more. I'm not risking it. Once it gets to double digits, I start running.
Where?
About a half a mile back. They're headed this way. You probably have about 11 minutes.
Okay. Thanks for letting us know.
Yeah. There's more of them than us, right? Gotta stick together. Right? You have a camp?
No.
Do you?
No. Sorry for running into you. I'm gonna go now. This is the next world. I hope it's good to you guys.
I'm Rick. This is Daryl. What's your name?
Paul Rovia. But my friends used to call me Jesus. Your pick.
You said you didn't have a camp. You on your own?
Yeah. But still, best not to try anything.
Best not to make threats you can't keep either.
Exactly.
How many walkers?
Not this guy.
How many walkers have you killed?
Sorry. Gotta run. You should too. I think you got about 7 minutes.
The hell was that?
He was clean. His beard was trimmed. There's more going on there.
Didn't have a gun either.
We could track him, watch him for a while, get to know more. See if he's really alone. Maybe bring him back.
Nah. Guy calls himself Jesus.
Firecrackers.
Shit. He swiped your keys, didn't he?
Shit!
Sorry.